with KHON2 Weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule. Happy Sunday. The weather continues to be quite calm across the islands with very little showers falling today, and that looks to be pretty much carrying us through at least the first half of this upcoming week. Taking a peek at Kaunakakai on Molokai tomorrow, a lot of sunshine. Wind speeds look to be a little breezier for Molokai and Lanai in particular, but for the most part 15 up to 20 miles per hour with more of a northeasterly flow, and that's keeping temperatures quite comfortable across the islands. Green lights across the board, nothing issued by the National Weather Service as of right now. In terms of our surf, we continue to see this current north-northwesterly swell moving through 10 up to 14 footers up towards the north, 5 to 7 footers here on Oahu for the west, flat to 2 for the south, and 2 to 4 footers are looking to be rolling in for the east. Now, throughout the day, a lot of sunshine, not much clouds, with the exception of particularly the windward side of Hawaii Island, and that's really going to be what we're going to continue to expect, at least for tomorrow. A lot of sunshine continuing to come through. We do have a high pressure system which continues to fuel these northeasterly winds, and that's going to be a plus, that we're going to have those northeasterly trades at least up until the middle of the week. One thing I do want to put notice to is this patch of clouds that's going to be moving closer towards the islands. That's going to be the first of a set of weak cold fronts or weak disturbances that's going to be moving over the islands. Despite the fact that we have those two disturbances, a lot of this orange is all dry air. So we're in a very stable, very dry atmosphere. So those disturbances aren't really expecting to bring anything significant in terms of a bump in rain chances, but definitely going to be seeing something, at least from Monday afternoon into Tuesday. That's what we're expecting, this first boundary to move through. The boundary itself for this particular model moving through the islands throughout Tuesday, reaching the island of Hawaii by Tuesday evening. Drier conditions are expected to return after that, but then we have our second cold front that looks to bring some slight bump in rain chances yet again coming around Thursday. A lot of sunshine again for the islands tomorrow. 81 degrees looks to be the high coming in from the west side of the islands. Now, in terms of temperatures, not much to grumble about. Highs in the 80s, low 80s, if that, lows mid-60s. Now, we are going to have a little round of light and variable winds Wednesday, Thursday, as that second disturbance moves over the islands. Trade winds are expected to return after that, taking us into the weekend.